walk straight. Come on, it's not hard. Oh, man, we are late.
See you, Bingo.
Bit of sunscreen. All right, keep it real, Bingo.
Dad,
Yes, mate?
you didn't do wind-up bingo.
Oh, look, mate, I got to get Bluey to school.
But you always do wind-up bingo.
Oh, I know, it's just we're running late, kiddo.
But how'll I get in the door?
Okay,
Hooray!
Sam you up. Wind, 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 wind. And one for good luck. Wind and release! See you, wind-up bingo! Oh, man, we're so late.
Dad,
Yeah, mate.
if we didn't play wind-up bingo just then, would we still be late?
Well, probably not as late.
So why did you play it then?
I don't know. Just did.
But what if you didn't? What would happen then?
Probably nothing, I suppose. Bingo just walked through the door instead.
Yeah, she would.
Wouldn't be as fun, though.
Yeah. I'm glad you did play it.
Yeah, me too.
Me three. Because that was the first time I met Bingo. See ya! Hey, can you wind me back up, please? Wind, 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 wind.